In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a permalink in Blogger. This process will allow you to customize the URL of your blog posts, which can be a great way to improve your search engine optimization and make your links easier to share and remember. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and learn how to take full control over your Blogger permalinks. First, the essential step is to sign into your Blogger account. Make sure you are logged in with the account that manages the blog you wish to work on. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your blogs. Select the one where you want to create a new post or edit a draft. Choosing the correct blog is crucial as each blog may have its own unique post management settings. Next, let's create a new post. In the Blogger dashboard, find and click the New Post button. This will open a text editor where you can add your post title and write your content. If you've already started a draft and wish to edit the permalink of that post instead, you can simply open that draft. This flexibility is useful if you're midway through working on a piece but haven't published it yet. Now let's turn our attention to the post settings, where you'll find the permalink options. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll notice the post settings panel. Locate this panel as it holds several options that allow you to enhance and refine your post settings, including the all-important permalink feature. When you click on the permalink section, you'll notice it expands to reveal two options. The first is the automatic permalink, which is the default setting. Blogger automatically generates the URL for you, typically based on your post title. The second option, Custom Permalink, is where you can take charge and set a URL of your choosing. Select the Custom Permalink option to proceed with creating a personalized link. With Custom Permalink selected, you now have the freedom to type in your preferred URL. Aim for a short yet descriptive permalink that clearly represents the content of your post. For example, if you're writing about Blogger SEO tips, you might use something like Blogger SEO Guide. It's important to remember you only need to enter the URL slug, not the full website address. Keeping your permalinks concise and relevant will enhance their effectiveness. Finally, once you're satisfied with your permalink and have ensured everything else in your post is ready, go ahead and publish the post. Congratulations, you've successfully edited your permalink in Blogger, giving your post a clean, customized URL that's ready for sharing. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide makes managing your Blogger permalinks more straightforward and helps boost your blog's online presence. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful blogging tips and tricks.